Abhay is doing his school homework. His uncle comes home for a visit.
Good evening, Uncle.
Good evening, Abhay. What is your homework today?
I am doing problems on the area of squares.
Okay, let me ask you a question. What is the area of a square whose side is 7 centimeters?
Area of a square is the square of its side, which is side multiplied by side. So it is 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49 square centimeters.
That's correct. Now, what is the side of the square whose area is 144 square centimeters?
Okay, that is tricky. How will I find that?
Try to find the number which, when multiplied by itself, gives 144.
12 multiplied by 12 is 144. So, the side of the square with area 144 square centimeters is 12 centimeters.
Perfect. 12 is also the square root of 144.
What is the square root?
Let us understand what is the square root of a number. We know that the inverse operation of addition is subtraction, and the inverse operation of multiplication is division. In the same manner, the inverse operation for squaring a number is finding its square root. 12 square is 12 multiplied by 12, which is 144. The square root of a number is the number which, when multiplied by itself, gives 144. Since 12 multiplied by 12 is 144, the square root of 144 is 12. Why should we learn to find the square roots? Square roots are applied while solving problems on area of a square or Pythagoras theorem. In higher classes, you will also learn how square roots are used in algebra and physics. Let us conclude. Now you know what are squares and square roots and where it is applied. Square numbers follow different properties and patterns. Also, there are different techniques to find the square root of large numbers. We will learn about them in this chapter.